我都有。
呀，
哎，正在整啊！
可以了，可以了。好，时间是不是到了？4点半准时开播哟。
快，我要给我的也开了。
4点半了，快！
你别开了，你开这个。
我还没开始呢。
不行，我看浩杰，我老分心，我老想多看。
你光看自己就行了。
我上来就有人了。开始了。
拜拜。Close the door. Thank you.
可以往中间再挪一下。
靠近往我这边来一点。Closer. Closer. 可以开始吗？已经开始了。Hello everyone, this is Mia.
Hello, this is Jay.
Welcome to our live studio.
Yeah.
And now, without further ado, let me introduce to you about our company, ZT Elect Group, and our newly product. First,
For further information about our company, please feel free to ask our customer service. Welcome to visit our factory.
First, let's take a few minutes to get to know our company, ZT Electric Group. Founded in 1958 in central China, Henan province. We are a professional manufacturer of electrical insulation materials. With production experience of 64 years, we are also the verified supplier on Alibaba store. With independent research and development abilities, we have five production bases on mainland China and have established mutual capabilities, mutual manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service system. Production of qualities is always our priority. All of factories are certified according to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and our productions referring to ISO, DIN, and IEC. And we've got CEUL and SGS certificates, including Roche and Rich. After so many years of efforts, we won the trust of our customers at home and abroad.
For further information about our company, please feel free to ask our customer service. Welcome to visit our factory.
Thanks again for coming to our live studio. I'm so glad to have you guys here and super excited to present our today's products to you. Now let's put spotlight on our start product, the G10 laminate sheet for solar panel. Ta-da! This is our new G10 solar panel backsheet. As we know, G10 epoxy sheet is highly versatile as a glass fiber sheet, as a glass fiber reinforced plastic sheet. Today, I'm going to show you guys a special application in photovoltaic module.
So what is it? Which part of our solar module is it used in?
Yes, because before we got to know it, let's first take a look of what makes up a PV module. This is a small PV module. To get a better understanding how we should select the material. The PV module is mainly divided into 5 parts from the top to the end. The first is tempered glass. It's very hard, and one layer of EVA and crystalline silicon solar cells, which is the core layers to make the power, and then is one more layer EVA and the solar panel backsheet. See, look, this black backsheet is this is the small is the star product of today, the G10 backsheet.
Yes. You can see what we focus today is the solar panel backsheet. The solar panel backsheet as a reinforcing materials is usually used on the reverse side of PV module for providing out-layer strength support and protection for the module. It's required to have excellent weather resistance for protecting the crystalline silicon solar cells and encapsulating materials from the water vapor and the moisture.
So ZT Electric Group supplies G10 solar panel backsheet, which comes in black, yellow, and white colors. Our product has reliable high voltage performance, high voltage resistance, insulation, waterproof performance, and corrosion resistance, as well as excellent anti-aging properties. It can be used as a reinforcement of PV module or a portable solar panel backsheet. It has pretty low density of 2 grams per cubic centimeter. So it is very light of it. It has and it's also easily processed, suitable for flexible photovoltaic devices, PV modules, and folding PV modules, portable solar power pack, and it with good bending strength.
Okay, now let's introduce to you the properties of our G10 solar panel backsheets. Its properties can come down to five major aspects.
Yes, first, HV resistance and good insulation performance. As you know, we are a professional manufacturer of electrical insulation materials. And second, long-term thermal resistance at 165 degrees Celsius, short-time heat endure at 155 degrees Celsius. Third, excellent weather resistance.
Okay,
Okay, Daniel, we can see your comments. Okay, we will send the catalog to you soon. It remains a stable performance and long-term exposure to sunlight or in low temperature environment. Okay. I'm send the catalog to Daniel.
已经发给他了。发过了。等会儿要是有人评论，就回一下。
Do we need to leave an email address?
可以。那你就私密。你让他留他的邮箱。有一天要看这个评论啊，还有谁进来了，也可以欢迎一下。
Okay, Daniel, could you leave your email address to us? Maybe you can send you more details to you. Okay, let's keep going. Yes, because we cannot see the full name of them.
对，看不到全部的，所以就
Yes.
Z 是
So welcome the new clients to come into our live studio. Thank you.
yes, welcome.
欢迎这个，但是我看不到你的名，可以留下你的名字，让他互动。
Welcome, P. Bala Q. May I have your name? maybe you can leave your name at the comments. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you. A third purpose is a seismic with a certain resilience, high flatness, and effectively protect the solar panels from fracture. Enables it to hold tightly with EVA. See, the mat of it is matte. If you touch it, you can feel it. It's not very glazed. It's a matte. So it's enable it to bond tightly with EVA, suitable for lamination when you under heat and pressure.
Okay, about the commonly used thickness of our G10. We have 0.5, 0.8, 1, 1, 1.2, 1.5, and 1.6 millimeter. And the standard size is 1020 by 1220 millimeter, 1220 by 2040 millimeter, 1000 by 2000 millimeter, and 1220 by 2440 millimeter. Other dimensions are also available at your request. We have our own CNC machining center, also equipped with 10 engraving machines, so we are capable of providing customized service according to drawings and samples.
Okay, if you need samples, welcome to leave comments and your email address to the comments, and we can see it. Maybe we can send you samples as soon as tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Just leave your contact. Thank you. Hi, Han Bai. Welcome to our live section. Let's keep going. For the specifications, we usually offer non-flame retardant G10, or if you have no more requirements about the flame retardant. Of course, in other words, its improvement version FR4 is also available. We also provide an EMA grade G11 with higher glass transition temperature, 155 degrees Celsius. Our G10, FR4, G11 are all made of alkali-free fiberglass glass, which has good weather resistance. That is crucial for the PV module. We hereby can assure you that we will never use the reclaimed materials for production. Our production process is eco-friendly. More importantly, compared to other suppliers, we promise to use the modified epoxy resin, which has higher heat resistance. That is to say, the temperature of G10 sheet can endure is above 130 degrees Celsius.
Oh yeah, Class E, above Class E difference, it would ensure the long-term stability for the properties of the product. Besides, our product is UL and rules approved, and we are also holding the certificates from the Independent Technology Testing Organization.
So you can see the videos on the live section. That is the video of our company and our office and the work plant to produce something, some other installation materials, and even you can see me. And as a manufacturer of installation materials, we run our own factory, making sure that we have effective management of the whole production chain, ranging from raw materials, technological process, quality control, to customization.
Now, some of you might be a lot curious about how many types of materials currently on the market that can be used for the solar panel backsheet. Actually, I can tell you there are three major types. I think many of you guys who are engaged in the PV industry are rather familiar with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you a broad overview about the materials of backsheet of PV module. First is double layer fluoropolymer. This mainly consists of two out layers of PVF and PVDF, and that is a PET polyester film in between. In terms of the price, this type of backsheet is hugely expensive. The second is single layer fluoropolymer. The fluoropolymer can be reduced from two layers to one layer, which is a way to reduce the cost of the backsheet and maintain satisfactory performance and the quality, durability. In this case, the composite material consists of Chatelain and corner bonded with a PET film with plus primer or EVA on the inside. Third, fluor-free material. For this kind of materials, your best choice is our G10 sheet. From a comprehensive perspective, it's the most cost-effective one of its kind. Trust me, my dear friends, this is the most economic choice too.
Yes, our G10 can also be combined with our another product, ETFE film, which we hope to launch sooner. For the portable small-sized PV module, commonly used for RV camping or mobile solar power source. We mentioned the portable solar panel above. Let's talk about its applications.
Okay, let's show them the solar charger is
Yes.
it's an interesting thing. If you are currently camping outside or outdoors, when you are about to pick up your phone to take a picture, oh, your battery got zero. That is what a terrible situation. At this point, if you take out the portable solar panel, just turn it on, let it face to light to the sun, plug in your USB charging cable, and your phone can be charged soon. This is a durable folding solar charger with up to 27 watts.
Yes.
In direct
27.
sunlight. It delivers fast charging capabilities and provides enough power to charge two devices at the same time because it can have two USB interface.
Yes.
This will be one of your best choices. So the technology changes our lives. For a mid-range price and well-built, it also offers good traveling potential. As it is thin, it is lightweight. It's very light. Of this, it just looks like a notebook.
Yes.
It's a notebook. It will not add some. Let me add more burns for you. It can be felt especially portable, so you can fold it, and for it to become it small. It can be used as an off-grid power source for camping, fishing, expeditions, and hiking, and all outdoor activities. Okay, if you have any questions about our G10 in laminates, epoxy laminates for the solar panel backsheet, just leave comments to us. Welcome, Rita. I can see you. If you need, okay, now I will send you catalog.
Okay.
If you have any questions, just leave the comments to us. We will appreciate. We just start national.
This is the G10 sheet for the solar panel back sheet. And this is solar panel. And this is the portable solar panel.
有点看。You may get the free samples if you can leave us your email address and other comments. We can see it. Okay, let's introduce our company profile, profiles, and the G10 sheet once more time. Okay.
Okay.
If you're interested, just watch. You can watch the videos above our live studio. That is our company's video. We make before because this epidemic area to visit our factory is a little hard to achieve. So just for this video, for your reference. Okay, Jay, let's introduce it one more time. Okay.
Okay.
First, let's introduce the ZT Electric Group, and this electric was founded in 1958, which is for 64 years since now. And we are a professional manufacturer of electrical insulation materials with a production experience of 64 years. So our main products has you can look behind the background. We supply the laminate sheet, epoxy laminate sheet, phenolic laminate sheet, and bakelite, all kinds of insulation tubes, rolls, and something others.
Rules, REACH, and UL, SGS certificates.
Yes, we can supply such certificate if you need to for your customers. And we are also verified suppliers on Alibaba store. With independent research and development abilities, we have 5 production bases in mainland China. There are 2 factories in Xuchang, Henan, and 1 branch in Vietnam, and 1 branch factories in Guangdong, and 1 in enameled wire factories in Chengdu.
Yes.
We have established the mutual monitoring for these factories, and for manufacturing, sales, after sales, production. Product quality is always our priority. In China, there are few company group can keep up going for 60 plus years. So when at any time, quality is always our priority. So all our factories are certified according to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, and all products referring to ISO, DIN, IEC. And we've got CE, UL, and SGS certificates, including Roche and REACH. After so many years of efforts, we won the trust of the customers all over the world and domestic customers.
Okay. For further information about our company, please feel free to ask our customer service. Welcome to visit our factory.
Welcome, W. Bala Bala. And I know your name. Welcome you to our live section. If you have any questions and maybe you can leave your email address to us. All of the friends in our lab studio to leave the comments. We can send you free samples for reference. Thank you. Okay, let's start to introduce our today's star products, G10 laminate backsheet for PV's module. As we all know, G10 epoxy laminate sheet is highly versatile as a glass fiber reinforced plastic sheet. Today, I'm going to show you guys its special application in photovoltaic module. Then I will short name it as PV module.
So what is it? Which part of a solar module is it used in?
Before we got to know it, let's first take a look of what makes up a PV module. This is we can see a tiny PV module. It's very small, but it has 5 layers. Then you can get a better understanding how to select the backsheet of the PV module. The PV module is mainly divided into 5 layers. From the top to the bottom, these parts are stacked on in order, then hot pressed and bonded together to finish the PV module. First,
you can see what we focus today is the solar panel backsheet. The solar panel backsheet as a reinforcing material is usually used on the reverse side of PV module for providing outlier strength and support and protection for the module. It is required to have excellent weather resistance for protecting the crystalline silicon solar cells and encapsulating materials from the water vapor and the moisture.
I'm sorry, I just forgot to introduce the 5 layers of it. The first is tempered glass. It is hard and anti-UV reduction. Then the second is EVA layer. The core in the middle of all of the layers is crystalline silicon solar cells. And then the one more EVA layers and the solar panel backsheet, which is use our G10 epoxy sheet.
Yes.
And the solar panel these parts are stacked up in order and hot pressed and bonded together to finish the PV module. And okay, welcome Rita Angelina. So ZT Electric Rope supplies G10 solar panel backsheet, which comes in black, yellow, and white colors. Today we just only take black samples for your reference. Okay, maybe you can find a yellow G10 sheet.
Yes.
Can you find it? Or
okay, wait for a moment.
Or green one to let our customer to have a look. Our products has always reliable high voltage resistance, insulation, waterproof performance, and corrosion resistance, as well as excellent anti-aging performance. It can be used as a reinforcement for PV module or portable solar panel backsheet. It has pretty low density of 2 gram per cubic centimeter. Lightweight, and high strength It's also easily processed with good bending strength, very suitable for flexible photovoltaic devices, PV modules, folding PV panels, and portable solar panels spec, etc.
There are two simple about yellow G10 and green G10.
Wow, this is yellow G10.
Yes.
Oh, this is a glaze. This is a glaze surface. Normally for backsheet, we will to polish it into matte. This is white G10. This is the matte surface.
Yes. Okay, now let's introduce to you the property of our G10 solar panel backsheet. Its properties can come down to 5 major aspects.
Yes, first HV resistance and good insulation performance. Second, long-term thermal resistance to 135 degrees Celsius. Short-time heat endurance in 155 degrees Celsius. Third, excellent weather resistance, anti-UV radiation and anti-aging. It remains stable performance under long-term exposure to sunlight or in low-temperature environment. Fourth, it's seismic with a certain resilience of high flatness and can effectively protect the solar panels from fracture to protect from bending. The last but important, the treatment on matte surface of G10 enables it to bond tightly with EVA, is suitable for lamination under heat and pressure.
Okay, about the commonly used thickness of our G10 sheet, we have 0.5, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.5, and 1.6 millimeter. And the standard size is 1020 by 1220 millimeter, 1220 by 2440 millimeter, 1220 by 2040 millimeter, and 1000 by 2000 millimeter. Other dimensions will also available at your request. We have our own CNC machining center, also equipped with 10 engraving machines. So we are capable of providing customized services according to drawing and samples.
Okay, as a 64 years manufacturer in China, we hereby can assure you that we will never use the reclaimed materials for production. Our production process is eco-friendly. Now China's policy about environment is very strict. More importantly, compared to other suppliers, we promise to use the modified epoxy resin, which has higher heat resistance. That is to say, the temperature of our G10 sheet can endure is above 130 degree resistance. And for the specifications, we usually offer a non-flame retardant G10 board if you don't have a requirement. Of course, in other words, its improvement of version FR4 is also available. We also provide an EMA grade D11 sheet with higher glass transmission temperature, 155 degrees Celsius for long term.
Oh yes, above Class E difference, it would ensure the long-term stability for the properties of our product. Besides, our product is UL and rules approved, and we are also holding the certificates from the Independent Technology Testing Organization.
Okay, I will give you a broad overview about the materials. First is a durable double layer fluoropolymer. Yes, this is for the G10 laminates. This mainly consists of two outer layers for PVF and PVDF, and the PET polyester film in between. In terms of price, this material is highly expensive. And second is a single layer fluoropolymer. The fluoropolymer can be reduced from two layers to one, which is the way to reduce the cost of the backsheet and maintain satisfactory performance and durability. And in this case, the composite materials consist of Tadler or Kanner bonded with a PT film plus primer or EVA on the inside. Third, the fluorine-free material. For this kind of material, your best choice is our G10 epoxy laminates. From a comprehensive perspective, it's the most cost-effective one of its kind. Trust me, my dear friends.
Yes, our G10 can also be combined with our another product, ETFE film, which we hope to launch sooner for the portable small-sized PV module, commonly used for RV camping or mobile solar power source. Okay, we mentioned the portable solar panel above. Let's talk about its application.
Okay. If you are, it's an interesting thing about the solar charger. Yes.
Yes.
If you are currently in the camping outdoors and when you are about to pick up your phones to take a picture to send you to your friends, your phone battery shows 0. Wow, it's a terrible situation.
Yes.
Oh, and that's at the point if you take solar charger in and they take out it, turn it on, let it face the sun.
Yes, it's the same.
Plug in your USB charger to it, and your phone will be soon charged.
Yes.
This is a durable folding solar charger with up to 27 watts.
27 watts.
Yes, it's in direct sunlight. It delivers fast charging capability and provides enough power to charge two devices at the same time. As these devices have two USB interface.
Yes. Two
These,
USB.
They should have different rapid to charge. This will be one of your best choice options for a mid-range rise and well-built. It offers good traveling potential as it's thin, it's light-weighted, and felt especially portable. It can be used as an off-grid power source for camping, fishing, expeditions, and hiking and all outdoor activities. Or sometimes you've got to charge your phone before you leave the home, leave the office. So that is a very smart choice. So technology changes our life. That's really
Yes.
okay. I see. D Bala Bala E. I cannot see your name. Welcome you to come into our live studio. You can maybe you can watch the video above. That is our factory work plant of. This is the laminates factory, right, Jay?
Yeah.
This is a CNC work plant. This is a 5G PI film work plant, and this is our hot press oven. Oh, this is used for the PI film. So we have 6 to 7 work plants in our Xuchang factories. Now you can watch the epoxy welding tube. To polishing it, to process it. This is FRP tube. Okay, this is our office. This is Jesse, one of our colleagues.
Yes.
It's the
Sample house.
we can supply phenolic cotton, paper, board, and epoxy fiberglass sheet from G10, FR4, G11, EPGC 308, and G7. Okay, this is our office. Oh, it's me.
Yeah.
This is our president,
Alan.
Alan Zhang. If you have any comments, any problems or questions, just leave comments to us. We will send you back what you need. Maybe we can send you free samples. And do you have any price questions of the G10 solar backsheet? I have a customers that to tell me they buy the G10 solar backsheet very cheap, and so as our experience, it may be some clay materials. That is not the new material. You know it. So the price will be better, but the properties may be not very good. So the price is cheap. So everything of the materials which is cheap and can be there's no deadline, so that will be. You should have a question about it. Why it is cheap for the normal or the big company.
Welcome.
Oh, welcome, Tineo. Welcome to our live studio. Okay, let's introduce to our company and the G10 sheet to our new customers. Okay, Jay.
Okay.
Today, our main task is to introduce G10 solar backsheet and our products to our company profile to you, to let you to know our company, ZT Electric. Okay, first, let's take a few minutes to introduce to you our company, ZT Electric Group, which is founded in 1958 in central China, Henan province. We're a professional manufacturer of electrical insulating materials with production experience of 64 years, right?
Yes.
We're also the verified suppliers on Alibaba. That is why you can see us here. We're also the with the independent research and development abilities. We have 5 production bases in China mainland. We have established mutual manufacturing, such as a video you see. Oh, this is the door of our factory in Xuchang, and have established mutual manufacturing, sales, after sales, service systems. Product quality is always our priority. JVB, you can show the customers about the other colors of the epoxy sheet. All our factories are certified according to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Our production is referring to ISO, DIN, and IEC. Oh, welcome to come to our live studio. Okay, we can see you. Thank you. After so many years' efforts, we have won the trust of our customers at home and abroad.
Okay, for further information about our company, please feel free to ask our customer service. Welcome to visit our Welcome to visit our factory.
Okay, welcome you guys. I will send you the catalog on the computer. Oh, welcome, Ivik. Thanks for coming our live studio. Okay, ta-da! This is our new G10 solar panel backsheet. Where did it use? Here. So what's this? This is a panel sheet, solar panel sheet. It's a very tiny one, huh?
Yes.
As we know, G10 epoxy laminate is highly versatile as a fiberglass reinforced plastic sheet. Today, I'm going to show you guys its special application in the photovoltaic module.
Okay, so what is it? Which part of our solar module is it used in?
Before we get to know it, let's first to take a look at what makes up a PV module. Yes, that is a photovoltaic module. To get a better understanding how to select the material. If you are the wholesaler or the manufacturer to make a solar panel module, that is very important to you. PV module is mainly divided into 5 parts from the top to the bottom. Okay, let me show them. You cannot see it, but this we can look the several layers of it. You can see the parts from the top to the bottom is tempered glass. The glass is very hard and anti-UV. And EVA layer, crystalline silicon solar cells, which is the core material of the solar panels. And one more in the EVA layers. And the solar panel backsheet. So the panel backsheet is what we talk about today, the G10 epoxy laminate sheet. These parts are stacked up in order, then hot pressed and bonded together to be a finished PV module. Yes.
Okay, you
After
can
hot
see
press.
what we focus today is the solar panel backsheet. The solar panel backsheet as a reinforcing material is usually used on the reverse side of PV module for providing outer strings support and protecting for the module. It's required to have excellent weather resistance for protecting the crystalline silicon solar cells and encapsulating materials from the water vapor and moisture.
Okay, let's send some catalogs to our newcomers. Thanks to come our live studio.
Welcome.
Welcome, Asim Shah. Okay, we send all of the catalogs to you. If you finish, if we forgot one of you, just leave comments to us.
9.
Okay. ZT Elect Group supplies G10 solar panel backsheet, which comes to in black and yellow and white.
Yellow,
Yeah,
black, yellow, and white.
Yes, this yellow sheet is for glaze, not matte surface. Usually, it's used. It needs to be matte surface to suitable for bonded with EVA. This is black. This G10 sheet is used for some other electrical industries. Our product has reliable high voltage resistance, insulation, waterproof performance, and corrosion resistance, as well as excellent anti-age properties. It can be used as a reinforcement for PV module. See, with this backsheet, the crystalline cells will not be cracked. But it also has pretty low density of 2 gram per cubic centimeter, lightweight and high strength, which is a good protector for the solar panel. It's also easily to process with good bending strength, very suitable for a flexible photo vertical devices, PV modules, and folding PV panels and portable solar power pack. So maybe you can show them the portable solar power pack. Okay, I will talk to you about how to use it later.
Yes. Okay, now let's introduce to you the properties of a G10 panel sheet. Its properties.
If you need the data sheet about the installation data such as the voltage, the breakdown voltage, you can leave the comments to us. We will send the data sheet to you. Second, long-term thermal resistance in 135 degrees Celsius, short-term at heat endurance of 155 degrees Celsius. Second, excellent weather resistance, anti-UV radiation, and anti-aging. It remains stable performance under long-term exposure to sunlight or in lower temperature environment. Third, it's asthmatic with a certain resilience, high flatness, and can effectively protect the solar panel from fracture. Fifth, the treatment of matte surface of G10 enables it to bond tightly with EVA, suitable for laminate gather under heat and pressure. See, that's why I told you about the surface. This black surface is matte. This is one sheet we especially manufacture for a solar panel sheet, and this is for other electrical sheet, but we want to show you the color of it. This is a glaze, and the white sheet is matte too. See, no light on it.
Yes. About the commonly used thickness of our G10 sheet, we have 0.5, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.5, and 1.6 millimeter. And the standard size is 1020 by 2040 millimeter, 1020 by 1220 millimeter, and 1000 by 2000 millimeter, and 1220 by 2440 millimeter. Okay, about another dimensions are also available at your request. We have our own CNC machining center, and also equipped with 10 engraving machines. So we are capable of providing customized services according to drawings and samples.
Okay, for the specifications, we usually often offer non-flame retardant G10. If you don't have any more requirements, of course, in other words, its improvement version FR4 is also available. We also provide NEMA G11 sheet with higher glass transmission temperature, 155 degrees Celsius. Our G10, FR4, G11 sheet are all made of alkali-free fiberglass cloth which has good weather resistance. That is crucial for PV module. And we hereby can assure you that we will not never use reclaimed materials for production. Our production process is eco-friendly. More importantly, compared to other suppliers, we promise to use the modified epoxy resin, which has higher heat resistance. That is to say, the temperature of our G10 sheet can ensure is above 130 degrees Celsius.
Oh yeah, about Class E, my dear friends. It would ensure the long-term stability for the property of the product. Besides, our product is UL and rules approved, and we are also holding the certificates from the independent technology testing organization.
As a manufacturer of insulation materials, we run our own factory. We make sure that we have effective management of all the production chain, ranging from raw materials, technological process, quality control to customization.
Okay, welcome X. Welcome X.
XWWQ. Welcome to come out to our lab studio.
Okay, now some of you might be a little curious about how many types of materials currently on the market that can be used for the solar panels backsheet. Actually, I can tell you there are three major types. I think many of you guys who are engaged in the PV industry are rather familiar with this.
Okay, I will give you a broad overview about the materials. Double layer fluoropolymer. This mainly consists of two outer layers of PVF or PVDF and the PET polyester film in between. In terms of price, this kind of materials are highly expensive. Second, single layer fluoropolymer. The fluoropolymer can be reduced from two layers to one. That is, which is a way to reduce the cost and but we can still maintain the satisfaction, performance, and durability. In this case, the composite material consists of Tadler and Kano bound with a PET film plus primer or EVA on inside. Third, which is last but important, the fluorine-free material. For this kind of material, your best choice is our G10 epoxy fiberglass.
Yes.
From a comprehensive perspective, it is most cost-effective and economic choice for you. Trust me, my dear friend. The price of a G10 epoxy laminates should be 1/3 of the durable double-layer polymer.
Yes, our G10 can also be combined with our another product, ETFE film, which we hope to launch sooner, for the portable small-sized PV module, commonly used for RV camping or mobile solar power source. Okay.
Okay, let's just take the interest thing about the solar charger.
Yes.
So the technology changes our life, right? when you are currently camping outdoors, when you are about to pick up your phone to take a picture and send to your friends, and when you open your telephone, your phone's battery shows 0. Oh, that is a terrible situation, right? At this point, if you take out the portable solar panel, which is a solar charger, just turn it on, let it face to the sun.
Yes, like this.
Plug in your USB charging cable, and your phone can be charged. This is a durable folding solar charger with up to 27 watt. In direct sunlight, it devices fast charging capabilities and provides enough power to devices at the same time because there are two USB interface.
Yes.
This will be one of your best options for middle range price and well built. It also offers good traveling potential. When I say it's a middle range price, it means not usable they must be the G10 epoxy laminates because the G10 price is reasonable to use on the solar charger. It can be used an off-grid power source for camping, fishing expeditions, and hiking, and all outdoor activities.
Yes.
If you want to lower your cost, to cut your cost to manufacture solar panels, PV modules, to choose G10 epoxy seed is a very smart decision. Okay, today's live studio will be end of. Okay, welcome, Sophie. Oh, you're from Hong Kong. Take care of yourself. And know the epidemic is very heavy in Hong Kong. Okay, welcome. And so now this is the end of our live studio today about the G10 solar panel backsheet.
Yes.
So welcome to coming to our live studio next time. Goodbye.
Okay.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
OK，
确定看不到了吗
？68次，这个呢？这个没事吗？这个就是这个是吗？
啊，这是虚拟摄像头，不用管了，你们拿你们东西就行，我这说一下。
啊，
我嗓子快，效果好好。
我嗓子哑了要。
这次来了好多，还有留言呢。
你好容易满足呀！我感觉咱要是每一周都直播的话，应该效果会
我
更好。
太满足了，比之前的效果好多了。
刚开始光弄错，对，弄得多了，我感觉肯定会越来越好，流量只会越来越大，是吧？
对。
好姐把这个板儿给它还
把板搬上来了。
对对，弄好。
这两个给学员拿回去，这几个你拿回去。
这个放这儿吧，你说不定下一次还用了。
行，这个拿回去吧，还有这个。这纸咋办？
你拿好，万一下次还用。
下次还要讲这个吗？
未必。
未必，行。
你们都已经熟悉了，反正。
这是赶鸭子上架。时间太短了，昨天弄了，今天就上了。
是啊，这么多哈，能读顺就不错了。
那倒不至于。78块，我去！我要去找学伟，这么可怕！这些东西还搬到桌子上吗？
行，你不用管了，你走吧。
这么多呢？来得及的生产吗？
等会儿我分给你们。
啊？分给我们？
等会儿。I want to get your. No，没有联系方式。No，
先走吧。
拜拜。